I'm here with Anders, solutions engineer from our long-standing partner, Akamai Technologies. Hi, Anders.
Hi.
I wanted to ask you a little more about Akamai Connected Cloud. What's so special about it?
So, first of all, clouds are, well, you think about it as data centers or someone else's computer, right? I mean, with our connected cloud, you have connectivity all over the world. So we're utilizing our presence all over the world, the world famous CDN presence, and utilize that for compute.
Okay, and I guess since you work a lot with cloud, what are some frequent questions that you usually get about it?
I think a very frequent question is, why should you use cloud? Another one that is related is probably, what should I put in the cloud?
Okay.
And I think if we start nesting those together a little bit and talk about them, so workloads like transcoding, you're not doing it often, well sometimes you do it often, but stuff that you run 24/7, like a live channel for example, that may make sense running locally, but something that you know, once a year or something else, once a day maybe, you only do it once and it's like, well, use the cloud for that. That makes sense. So kind of varying workloads that varies over time.
Okay.
Perfect cloud workloads.
Do you have a very specific example, like sports events or anything?
Events are perfect. Events are perfect for cloud.
Okay.
So they're short. They often attract a lot of audience. You have a lot of more load, and you don't want to build for that in your own data center.
Okay. Okay. So I have one more question. For customers who would like to use a hybrid workflow, maybe a bit of cloud, bit of on-prem, why would they benefit from using a systems integrator like GNL?
I think almost anything you do actually benefits from a systems integrator because they have so much knowledge than you have yourself. You know your stuff very well, but you don't know how you could do things. You don't have that full view, and the integrators, they go around and talk to a number of customers. They're integrating a lot of systems and they have far more experience and knowledge than you can ever get internally.
So more about the knowledge expertise, having the full view of the industry and what's available.
That, but also the expert knowledge in some of the products that are needed. But the major thing is the glue. Gluing together different systems, and that's what these guys are experts for.
Well, thank you very much, Anders. I appreciate it. Yeah.
Thank you.